Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Plymouth Duster. Super cool car, guys. Factory TX9 black car, black interior. It's got the white striping. Factory H code 340 car. A buddy of mine, Scott, got this car from me out of Tennessee. The gentleman we got this from had spent 10 years building this car. It's only been done for 2 years, so there's not a lot of miles on it. But just killer car, man. It's got a 408 cubic inch stroker engine in it with a Holley Sniper EFI kit on it. Neat car, man. Runs out good, plenty of horsepower, sits good. You can see it's got 17-inch billet aluminum magnums on it, Nitto rubber all the way around it. You can see it's got a lift-off hood. Very, very cool car. Disc brakes, B&M 727 Torqueflite with a 3800 stall in it. So if you're looking for something with some performance, this is a car, man. This thing runs. Again, factory TX9 black car. You can see it's got the super cool shark's tooth grille. Chrome is nice on the car. These are my stanchions. I've had them since my dad. My dad had them made probably, I don't know, 15 years ago. I will see, a buddy of ours, actually one who made them for us. So these don't go with the car. These are mine, but I will see if a buddy of mine will make up a set of those. They're super cool, and usually he will do that for us. But those do not go with those cars. Those are kind of special to me. Those are my dad's, and so they do not go with the car. I was going to show you one thing. See, the paint's really slick on the hood and everything. Does have one scratch right there that's been touched up. No. You guys can go ahead and pull the hood off. Glass is good. It's just a little bug there, guys. Pop out rear windows, factory Chrysler glass. Rear deck spoiler. Again, factory rear Chrysler glass. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Killer exhaust on it. It's a Pypes Race Pro dual exhaust system. See, that car's got killer paint on it. Again, those are billet 17-inch Magnum 500s, Nitto rubber all the way around it. Just some water spots, guys, that we didn't get off those chrome caps. Does have front disc brakes. That is a pretty car. Yep, nice. Yep. Again, this is a factory H code 340 car, but now it's a 408 stroker engine in it, a Holley EFI Sniper kit on it. Edelbrock Air Gap aluminum intake. It's got all forged internals, 10-to-1 pistons. I can't remember the name of the head. It's got some head work done to the car. You can see it's got a beautiful set of Doug ceramic headers. Power steering, does have front disc brakes. It's got a MSD 6AL box in it. B&M 727 Torqueflite with a 3800 stall. Aluminum radiator. It's got Hotchkis front shocks on it, Hotchkis rear sway bar. All the suspension, he said, it's all brand new when he did it. Like I say, he spent 10 years building the car, but it's only been done for 2 years. It was actually in his wedding. You can see how slick that paint is, guys. If you see in the pictures, that back of the hood was sitting down a little bit. We've lost the 2 little rubber snubbers for the back. It doesn't hurt it or anything, but we'll make sure we get them on there. Factory mirrors, door handles look like they've been replaced. New door rubbers. Factory bench seat, it's got the armrest. Seats are really nice. Tuff wheel. Back seat's good. Headliner looks good. Showing 60,000, that's supposed to be the original miles. Factory dash, it's got the phantom gauge. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio, one of those audio sounds. Aftermarket tack and gauges. Again, it's got a Pypes X-pipe dual exhaust system in it with 8 3/4 with an Auburn 355 sure grip rear end, Hotchkis rear suspension. Really killer little car, man. Just painted black in here. Rear deck spoiler. Car's clean underneath, floors are nice. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Sorry guys, a little dust in there. Everything's dusty, man. Getting close though to the remodel being done. New sill plates. Seats are really nice. Dash is good. There's your readout for the EFI. And gauges are nice and clean. You can go ahead and fire it up, Jordy. I'd say it's a running son of a gun, man. This thing scoots, guys. You guys go ahead and put it on. Gauges work. Again, there's all your Holley EFI kit. Again, if you have any experience with those, they actually learn, you know, about how you drive it and stuff like that. It actually adjusts itself. Yeah, it just needs to come up in the back a little bit. Really cool car, man. I love the white striping. Hopefully you can see that. Brake lights, even the backup lights in this car work. Yep. This car hits, man. I'm telling you, it gets its R's quick as heck. Radio works. Again, all your gauges are functional. Blower motor. Yep. Blower motor does work. One wiper's unhooked, that's right. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That we can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. You can do that by clicking that little button at the bottom. That's a bad ride right there, man. Have a great day, guys.